Will you still be?
It's me, Maddie, and I'm here with another YouTube video. Today's video is going to be an exciting video. Someone has requested a video of this in like every single one of my videos. So today's video, we will be talking about my teeth routine and how I whiten them. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe so we can hit 5,000 subscribers before summertime, because I'm really like killing it trying to get 5,000 for this summer. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you click on the bell while you're down there. A lot of you subscribers are actually back from when I used to make braces videos, so you guys are curious to see how my teeth routine is today compared to how it was before. Like, for all you braces people out there who came to my channel and found me through my braces videos, that is partly the reason why I started a YouTube channel, is because I thought about, oh my gosh, I have braces, it's so cool, the whole world needs to know. And now I'm just like, I know, I was such a geek. I'm gonna show you guys my routine. If you have any questions, comment down below. Okay guys, let's go.
Okay, so first things first, I get my toothbrush out like everyone else does, and I use this special toothpaste. It really varies whatever I use, but today I'm using the Extreme Clean, and I just put a little bit on there and I brush the back of my teeth, the top of my teeth, and then I like to go to the front of my teeth. It doesn't have to be in that order, but I just like it like that. Once I'm done, I always like to rinse it out with some water and just get that yucky, like minty taste out of my mouth. Now for flossing. So for flossing, I like to use the thicker type, and I go from top to bottom, and I floss around 2 to 3 times a week. Always brush your teeth before you floss because it makes it a lot easier. Okay, now this next one is super extreme. So I use peroxide and a Q-tip, and I just dab the Q-tip and a little bit of peroxide and I rub it all over my teeth. You want to make sure your teeth are flossed and cleaned very well before you place the peroxide onto your teeth. But you have to wait about 10 minutes. Yes, this stuff looks gross and it tastes disgusting, but bear with me because at the end your teeth will feel so much cleaner and whiter. Now for the last part of my teeth routine is washing my retainers. You guys know I wore braces for the longest time, so I wash my retainers pretty often. I rinse them out every night before I go to bed, but what I do if I'm going to do a really good clean is I get some Dawn soap and I get a Q-tip. I get the water going really hot and then I pour some Dawn soap into my retainers. Scrub them with a Q-tip because you don't want to do a toothbrush because a toothbrush can scratch your retainers. So once you think you've got all the gunk out of your retainers and all the stains, you rinse them off with nice warm water. Make sure it's really hot because you don't want to get sick from like having soap in your mouth. And then voila, they should look brand new and feel amazingly clean. So there you have it. That is my teeth routine. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Okay guys, that's it for the video. I didn't mention some key hacks. I would advise you not to smoke, because if you're trying to whiten your teeth, smoking is just throwing that out the window. You're like yellowing your teeth so bad. No chewing tobacco, that really also makes your teeth look really yellow. Cut down on the soda. Like, I haven't drank soda in like 4 years, guys. 5 years this upcoming June, and I can say I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. I've never really been into soda. But I know that you guys can see those cool videos where they like put a tooth in a cup of soda and they leave it there for like days and days and they get it out and it's so yellowish and stuff. I know you're not swishing it around in your mouth like days and hours or anything like that. But over time, always having the soda run through your teeth is eventually gonna catch up to you and you're gonna have some yellow stains from it. And 3, brush your teeth 2 times a day. I like to brush my teeth 2 times a day. Not always. I'm not Miss Queen. Brush your teeth on time, every day, right on the time, 12 o'clock, toothbrush. No, I'm not like that. If I drank like green tea and just stuff with a bitter taste, I find myself wanting to brush my teeth more. So if you drink tea or coffee or something, I highly suggest you brush your teeth right afterward. Like life hack, I find that floss that is thicker is so much better for my teeth because it doesn't make them swell and like bleed after I get done flossing when it's thicker, because the thin type goes up in like into my gums when I'm doing it because it's so thin it just slides up and it really hurts. So make sure you get the thick type and make sure it tastes good because I love the taste of mints. I'm like one of those people that go to the restaurant and you have free mints laying there. Yeah, that's probably the reason why most restaurants stop doing that, because I'm just like, oh nice, let's put it in my purse, and I'm just like, oh my. Like when they say take a mint, thanks for your service, I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm like, I like literally take a handful of mints. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you guys would like me to make a video how to not get stains during your braces, I can do that. I was so afraid of them peeling off the braces and there would just be like the white tracings of where the braces were, and I would have like gunky yellow like disgusting teeth. As they took my braces off, they're like, wow, you don't have any stains from them. I was just like, oh my gosh, you have no idea, because I had to wear my braces for almost 4 years. It was like 2 months until 4 years, so it was hard, guys. Like, but my teeth were totally screwed. Like, they were so everywhere. They were like on top of each other, and I had 2 extra teeth right here, 1 growing behind my front teeth, and then I had all 4 of my wisdom teeth taken out. So overall, I've had 7 teeth removed from my mouth, so my mouth has been through a lot. Maybe that's why I'm looking into becoming a dental hygienist. Maybe. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to help you guys out. Please be careful with the peroxide tack. Do not go overboard with that. I'm not a professional, but I have asked my dentist about it, and she said that it's totally safe to use on your teeth, but if you have sensitive gums, make sure you mix it in with some water as well. I will see you guys later. This looks so good right now. You guys thought it was a real donut, didn't you? No, it's not. I'll see you guys later. Bye!